guys, and welcome back to my channel. So you already know what type of video this is going to be, judging from the title. I'll be doing a unboxing video of the Shany, the signature collection brush sets. So I got this for Christmas from my dear friend Carlos when I was away the other day, and it's actually my second time looking at this because so much has been happening in my life that I don't have time to do anything that much anymore. I am not really motivated, so it was just sitting there, and I actually took a look at it day before yesterday, which is what, Thursday, and it is now, today's Thursday, but I looked at it on Tuesday, and I've actually got it since Christmas. So yeah, anyhow, so basically it comes in this very sturdy box, which I will still keep the brushes in here because this box is really sturdy, and even if I don't keep the boxes in here, I can still keep storage or something in there, some of my stuff. And the box opens up like this, it doesn't remove, so you guys get the drift. Whoops, one second. So basically, upon opening this box, it comes with the pamphlet, and I think in this pamphlet it tells you how to care for the brushes, the quality, you know, the longevity, and that it's quite affordable. I won't try to Google how much it costs because, like I said, it's a Christmas gift, so I have no interest in knowing. And in the pamphlet it actually explains what each brush is for, and what I love upon seeing this is that each brush has a number on it. So it's almost like the Morphe brushes, so it indicates what each brush is supposed to be used for. So the next thing that's in this beautiful box is, oh, look at this. Oh my god, guys, look at this, look at that, look at that. It's the brush with the pink powder. I don't know, that is really cute, guys. I'm all about packaging, and this is packaged really, really beautiful. So here are the brushes. It comes in a suede box, a suede bag, I mean, my bad. So the bag is made from suede, and it's a drawstring, so this is perfect if you're going for traveling as well. And then here are the beautiful brushes, which comes in an additional leather pouch. So this is quite beautiful. I wonder how much he actually paid for this. I'm kind of really curious, but like I said, I won't Google it. I'm not that shady. So here are all the brushes. I have not used them yet. I'm gonna be doing a video with me trying to use some of them. But guys, the set actually has 24 brushes, and the only thing I've done so far is touch the brushes, and that's about it. I'm not gonna be reviewing all of them, but just the ones that stands out to me, I will say, stands out. So this one is the M22 brush, and this one is supposed to be the mineral bronze buffer brush, and that's another thing I like. It not only has the number, but it has what the brush is supposed to be used for. So far the density of the brush is really, really thick. It's really, really thick. The construction of it is amazing. This, even though it says that it's for bronzing, but I can see myself using this as a buffer brush to apply my not so thick consistency foundations. Another one that stands out to me is this one. Kind of looks like a stipple brush. It reminds me of the e.l.f. stipple brush, which I hate. I'm sorry, I hate that shit. I used it 2 times and washed it, and the bristles just fall right apart. So this one is the Shany F12, and it's a liquid foundation buffer brush. So far construction is amazing. It has light bristles at the top, and then the density gets a bit thicker when it reaches halfway down. But this is really, it's really, really soft, guys. Really, really soft. Another one that I know I will definitely be using is this one, and it's the M21 brush, and it's a mineral blush brush. These are a bit thick. Like, I don't know if I could use this. I don't think this will work much for me for being a blush brush, because my blush brush has to be fluffy. I don't know if I'm the only one that thinks that, but for me, you know, my own personal preference, I love my I'm getting tongue-tied. My blush brushes to be thick. This one I love, and it is the F22 slanted finishing brush. This I can see myself using when I'm concealing under my eyes because it's arched, it's angled, so it gets like right under there, like right under my eyes, and I can just blend my concealers out. So that is freaking amazing. So I'm going to be showing, last but not least, out of the package, that, well, actually two that stands out that I will, you know, from each section. And this one I can see myself using it as a bronzer brush. So this one is a medium powder brush, but I be using this to apply my bronzers on my face once I contour my cheeks, because it's big. And yeah, I'm so excited to use these brushes. Carlos, if you're watching this, thank you so much. You're a lifesaver. A girl can never have too much brushes, trust me. But last but not least, I'll be showing you one of the eyeshadow blending brushes that it comes with, and this one is the that's an E18, and it's a cream eyeshadow brush. So this says that it's a cream eyeshadow brush. So like my eyeshadows, that they don't pick up much on my human hair bristle brushes. They mostly pick up on my synthetic brushes. I'll try this and see if this actually works, because it says creamy. So let's see if it stands up to the work when I use this in my demo video. I wonder if these are synthetic or they're human. Just let me see if it explains that. I don't think it does. Nah. No, it doesn't say. The good thing about this, it's cruelty free. So as you guys can see the little bunny there, so it's cruelty free, so that's a bonus for me. Yeah, it doesn't say if it's human or synthetic. It only says treated bristles. Also help prevent breakout, so that's really good too. Wow. So it says that it's made with oak and rosewood handles and a sleek black finish. These brushes are the ultimate in sophistication. The leatherette pouch keeps brushes in great condition at home and on the go. Can't ask too much. Totally love. Okay guys, so sorry about that, my camera just ran out of memory. So yeah, it's a staple piece, and I don't know if it picked it up if my camera was not recording when I did say that it's actually cruelty free, so that is a bonus, means it's not tested on animals. So I will definitely go out and cut this bad boy here. So as usual, I'm going to be wrapping this video up right now, so please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share my video, and I will see you in the next